case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The buyers appealed to the Court of Appeals, arguing that the warranty was a promise of future performance, and therefore the 4-year limitation period under Section 2, 725(2) of the UCC applied. The specific provision states that a breach of warranty occurs when the tender of delivery is made, except that where a warranty explicitly extends to future performance of the goods and discovery of the breach must await the time of such performance, the cause of action accrues when the breach is or should have been discovered. The Court of Appeals echoed the previous verdict, ruling against the petitioners. While the warranty did extend to future performance, the court interpreted that the extended limitations period only applied to defects discovered within the 12-month warranty period. In essence, the sellers were not responsible for defects discovered after the 1-year warranty time. The verdict brought to light the importance of understanding the intricacies of a product's warranty. Even with provisions that seem to extend to future performance, a warranty only obligates the seller until the end of the stated period. After this period, the buyer is usually on their own and the seller is no longer legally responsible. A complex issue of contract law, it underscored the need for consumers to be vigilant about warranties and their implications.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.